In pipe rehabilitation, the quality of the work is of particular importance. The pipes to be rehabilitated are usually underground or hidden in the walls, which makes quality checks considerably more difficult. Errors in rehabilitation are therefore more difficult to see and are usually costly to correct. For this reason, attention must be paid to quality as early as the preparation of the equipment, which means monitoring the criteria relevant to quality and excluding sources of errors. BRAWOLINER's newly developed systems provide help in this area, for example with its innovative resin mixer. The addition and mixing of resin and hardener play an important role in rehabilitation using hose liners. Only when both components are added in the correct proportions and are thoroughly mixed can the desired static properties of the final product be guaranteed. BRAWOLINER has developed a resin mixer that allows the resin to be tempered, measured, and mixed precisely. It consists of an acclimatization chamber, 2 dosing pumps, a control unit, and a dosing nozzle with a static mixer. The base resin and the 2 hardener components, Bravo 1 and Bravo 3, are stored in the acclimatization chamber and acclimatized to the precise temperature needed for the mixing process. The desired quantity of resin is adjusted by the operator of the machine using the control unit. It is not possible to incorrectly set the mixing ratio by accident, because changes can only be made by entering a code. Pressing the start button makes the machine ready for operation. However, the mixing process does not start until the pumps are started from the control panel. The mixing process can be interrupted and continued at any time. The 2 air-powered piston pumps, high-performance pumps, measure out the resin and the selected hardener component. Sensors are used to constantly monitor the mixing ratio, and the transport speed of each pump is precisely controlled. Tempered transport hoses are used to transport the 2 components separately to the dosing nozzle, where they are added in cycles in accordance with the mixing ratio. This allows components of different viscosities to be optimally mixed. The actual mixing of the components takes place in a specially developed static mixer. As the resin and hardener are only brought into contact with one another in the static mixer, there is absolutely no need to clean the machine using solvents. The resin mixer provides the user and client with many valuable benefits. It is very easy to use. The machine mixes and adds components with no errors. Only one person is needed to operate the machine. The operator does not come into contact with the resin. There is no residue left over, and weighing errors are excluded. This contributes considerably to ensuring that your jobs are performed with the utmost cost-effectiveness. BRAWOLINER has developed the DocuBox for quality assurance. It is used to monitor and document the rehabilitation process. The machine is intuitive to use and enables all information relevant to quality to be collected and documented in a falsification-proofed log. It records not only the data relevant to the rehabilitation location, the resin mixture and impregnation process, but also the full liner installation process. If the DocuBox has been connected to the resin mixer, all data from the resin mixing process is automatically documented. The quantity of resin and hardener, the total quantity of components, the mixing time, and the mixing ratio. It is also possible to automatically record the impregnation process, i.e. the rolling height, the number of roll runs, and the impregnation time. The complete installation process is automatically monitored and documented. Sensors are used to record the inversion and support pressure, the curing temperature, and the heating time. All values are shown on the display during installation as graphs, enabling deviations to be immediately recognizable. Once the documentation process is complete, the DocuBox electronically creates a falsification-proof PDF file that can be presented to the client as evidence that the rehabilitation process has been performed correctly. Combined with the leak tightness testing kit, it is also possible to use the DocuBox to perform a qualified leak tightness test. BRAWOLINER stands for quality. As a full solution supplier, we offer not only multiple award-winning consumable materials, but also high-quality equipment that offers considerable advantages during the installation of a BRAWOLINER. With our own engineering team, we are able to fit entire rehabilitation vehicles and address specific customer needs in the process. Specific national licenses, such as the demanding DIBT certification, provide customers with certainty. Repeated test victories in the IKT goods test document BRAWOLINER's outstanding quality. Our worldwide delivery service, customized user courses, and project support make us a strong partner for you. Quality is worth it. BRAWOLINER stands for quality. Visit www.brawoliner.de for more information. We will also be glad to advise you personally.